Ever feel like a financial spring cleaning is in order? Maybe you're simplifying your banking, moving to a new institution with better perks, or perhaps your financial needs have simply evolved. Whatever the reason, if you're watching this, chances are you're wondering, how do I actually close my BMO account? It's a question many of us face at some point. Banks, while essential, aren't always a lifelong commitment. Life changes, and sometimes that means parting ways with your current financial institution. But the process of closing an account can sometimes feel like navigating a bureaucratic maze. Fear not. In this comprehensive guide, we'll demystify the steps involved in closing your BMO account, ensuring a smooth and stress-free experience. Before we dive into the how, let's briefly touch upon the why and some crucial before you close considerations. Closing a bank account isn't a decision to be taken lightly. It's more than just signing a form, it's about ensuring your financial ducks are in a row. Have you considered why you're closing your BMO account? Understanding your motivations can help you make informed decisions throughout the process. Are you consolidating accounts for simplicity? Are you seeking better interest rates or lower fees elsewhere? Perhaps you're moving to a region where BMO doesn't have a significant presence. Pinpointing your why will help you choose the right alternative and avoid potential pitfalls. Now, let's talk about the crucial before you close checklist. This is where careful planning can save you significant headaches down the line. First and foremost, transfer your funds. This might seem obvious, but it's the most critical step. Ensure every single penny you want to keep is safely moved to your new account or held in a different form. Don't leave any residual balance, as this can complicate the closure process and potentially lead to fees or delays. Double-check all scheduled payments and transfers originating from your BMO account. This includes direct deposits like your salary, recurring bill payments, utilities, subscriptions, loans, and any automatic transfers you've set up. You'll need to update these with your new account details well in advance of closing your BMO account to avoid disruptions. Missing a payment due to an outdated account can negatively impact your credit score or lead to service interruptions. Next, review your recent statements. Take a close look at the last few months of your BMO account statements. This will help you identify any outstanding transactions, pending charges, or recurring payments you might have overlooked. It's also a good practice to ensure all transactions you recognize are accounted for. Finally, gather any necessary documentation. While the specific requirements might vary slightly depending on how you choose to close your account, it's always a good idea to have your account number readily available, along with valid government-issued photo identification. Okay, now that we've covered the essential groundwork, let's get to the core of the matter. How do you actually close your BMO account? BMO offers several convenient methods, allowing you to choose the one that best suits your preferences and circumstances. Method 1. In person at a BMO branch. This is often the most straightforward and reassuring method for many people. Visiting a local BMO branch allows you to speak directly with a bank representative who can guide you through the entire closure process. Here's what you can expect. Locate a branch. Use the BMO website or mobile app to find the nearest branch. Visit during business hours. Check the branch's operating hours before you go. Bring necessary documents. Ensure you have your account number and valid government-issued photo identification. Speak to a representative. Inform the teller or customer service representative that you wish to close your account. They will likely direct you to a specific individual who handles account closures. Complete the required forms. You will likely need to fill out a form requesting the closure of your account. Read it carefully before signing. Discuss remaining funds. If you still have a balance in the account, discuss how you would like to receive the remaining funds. You can typically request a bank draft, a transfer to another account, if you have one with BMO, or in some cases, cash, depending on the amount. Confirm the closure. Ensure you receive confirmation that your account has been officially closed and ask about the expected time frame for the closure to be finalized. It's a good idea to get a reference number or the name of the representative who assisted you for your records. Ask about any potential final fees. Inquire if there are any final fees associated with closing your account. Method 2. By phone. In some cases, you might be able to initiate the account closure process over the phone. However, this method might have limitations, especially if there's a significant balance in the account or if BMO requires written authorization. Here's how you might proceed. Find the customer service number, visit the BMO website, or check your account statements for the appropriate customer service contact number. Call during business hours. Be prepared for potential wait times. Identify yourself. You will likely need to provide your account number and other identifying information to verify your identity. State your request. Clearly inform the representative that you wish to close your account. Follow their instructions. The representative will guide you through the necessary steps, which might involve providing further information or completing forms that will be mailed or emailed to you. Inquire about fund transfer. Discuss how any remaining funds will be handled. Obtain confirmation. Ask for a confirmation number or email confirming your request to close the account. Be sure to follow up if you don't receive it within the stated time frame. Method 3. Online banking. While BMO's online banking platform offers a wide range of services, the ability to completely close an account online might be limited due to security and verification requirements. However, you might be able to initiate the process or find information and forms through your online banking portal. Here's what you can do. Log into your BMO online banking. Access your account through the BMO website or mobile app. Navigate to the Help or Customer Service section. Look for options related to account management or contact information. Search for information on account closure. Use the search bar to find relevant articles or FAQs. Look for downloadable forms. BMO might provide account closure forms that you can download, complete, and submit either online or by mail. Contact customer support through the platform. Some online banking platforms offer secure messaging or chat options to communicate with customer service representatives who can guide you. Method 4. By mail. Closing your account by mail is generally a less common and potentially slower method, but it might be an option if you are unable to visit a branch or prefer written communication. Closing a bank account doesn't have to be a daunting task. By understanding the different methods available and taking the necessary preparatory steps, you can navigate the process with confidence and ease. Remember to transfer your funds, update your payment information, and confirm the closure with BMO. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.